AI is replacing jobs. In today's world, we already are hitting a recession. More and more people are burnt out. That is the state of today. Sounded as if I'm like on TV, but there's one company that is crushing it, and we have made 4 billion in terms of sales last year, 2025. Before I share that, hello, my name is Olivia. I'm not a TV reporter. I help the multicultural, multi-ethnic to brand on social media and to make money with a proven system. And if that's something for you, then absolutely. If you have not done so, do like and subscribe to the channel, where every week I'm going to be sharing a video, and I'm going to be going back live for you guys once a week. So I'm super excited. 2026 is definitely the year. And if I look on the side, just because I got some notes and I thought without me going over on board and not talking for years, but the company that has been thriving, we made last year 4 billion in terms of sales, is PM International, which is what I'm wanting to talk about. And maybe before I do that, I actually want to talk about the problems that people are facing. I said earlier on about AI and automation, where people are losing their jobs to something that today is... We're advancing, we're adapting. We have to adapt in today's world, right? Into automation, job security. AI is limiting jobs, is eliminating jobs, and it's not supporting you. On top of that, they don't really care about your degrees, because that's not the security anymore. I am a fashion stylist, and I talked about on one of my feed, where I had one of my flyers when I was younger, where I was promoting my business on this, and this is what I would do, like share a flyer, share a piece of paper. That's not what we do anymore. And having one income is just dangerous to live on. You cannot live on just one income. That is just not possible anymore. And today it's understanding, okay, how can I diverse my skill set onto everything that I'm wanting to do? And that's why where PM International wins in this is because we have a proven system which doesn't require any degree. It's a product that is based on people, right? So people to people, right? When I sell my product, which I literally have sold this, I'm selling this one, selling tomorrow at my CrossFit gym. She was looking for a drink that would help with her energy, her focus, her concentration, right? So you become the word of mouth of talking to others, right? AI cannot do that because they're just scripted. Whereas here we're having like a semi-conversation. We have like a feeling and intuition. We have something here that is a connection. And that's what we have as a community, as people, right? And AI can replace jobs, right? But it cannot replace people. It cannot replace leaders, right? And so that's something that I want for you guys to understand, that it is possible for you to thrive. The second problem that we have in this, this recession that we're in, inflation, financial pressure. I literally have to get my hair rebraided, right? And my hairstylist was like, yeah, I'm going to have to increase the price by five pounds. Right. And I'm like, well, there's nothing I can do. So I'm just going to have to work more and put that in, right? There is a low risk for you guys to start the business where you guys don't start with the capital. You guys start with a product, which is about 100 pounds more or less, right? So these two products, the power cocktail that helps with the better energy, the focus, the concentration, that'll fuel from the inside, right? It's like your orange juice, but that just the orange juice that has energy in it, your natural energy. And then the evening drink that will help you recover. So global infrastructure that's been on for a while. The product is shipped to you. You don't have to figure out where it is. And from there, it's based on your skill set. It's based on who you become as a leader, right? 4 billion in sales mean that there has to be a momentum. There has to be, something going on. And so there's a system that's already laid out. There's a base of what you need to do to get to the other side. And that's what we have. We have a system. We have a process. If you're just wanting to make money as, maybe my mom, and you're a therapist or nutritionist or whatever it is, and you have your own business, but you just want to upsell and get a few more clients, absolutely, this is what it does. If you are, you're like me, you love people and their transformation and having them make money and also turning them into leaders, then absolutely, that's also possible. So there's two different ways. You can either have direct selling, direct cash, where you earn cash on the sales that you do, or the other one where you also build, or you can also do both. So in a recession, you don't want You don't want to build from scratch. You want to build from a leverage. And it's completely possible by just starting that with a business, right? Last thing is the problem of burnout, the problem of poor health, no growth. I remember when I got my job, when I was working as a salesperson, I was top seller. I got flagged as behavior issues because I replied to one of my managers because I should probably said something that I shouldn't have said, but not in the way that you guys would think, but my priority was to sell. And in her issue was like, why is the mannequin naked? And I told her I don't really care about the mannequin because I'm not a visual merchandiser, I'm just a seller. So excuse me, but I got clients and customers to sell to, so I don't think that really is an issue. And for that, I was flagged as behavior. I'm just a number. And so even though I was top seller, I was flagged for behavior issue. Now, if you know me, authority is something like, I respect you, but if you treat me like a piece of dirt, I'm coming back for you. Then that means I remove myself. And in sales, you're just a number. So my question to you is, how many of you have been like that? How many of you have felt like you're not even growing, like the company won't promote you because XYZ, but then they'll promote you, but then like you have more responsibilities? No. I don't want more responsibility. Like, yes, I do, but not in this case. I don't want it. For the way you guys are treating me, no. I love my life so much that I will not do that, right? And so what network marketing teaches you is the fact that you have confidence, there's communication, there's leadership, there's emotional intelligence. Gosh, there was something I posted today where I became a godmother because I connected with somebody that's a stranger and she saw something in me. And now through network marketing, I'm a godmother. I never would have been a godmother had I not joined network marketing. I'd still probably be a rat in like my little hole, right? And just running my life away. So yes, okay, I get it. But burnout via a place where you can grow, where we teach you systems, where I am there personally being there to grow. Now, I'm not your manager. I do not manage, right? We work together. You run, we run. We walk, we walk. We crawl, we crawl. We get onto the floor, we get onto the floor. Hey, I don't know what that is, but if that's something for you and you're like, look, I want to change, then absolutely drop me #hybrid. Let's get you started. Let's make some money. Let's change your whole life trajectory. And maybe, 1,000 pounds is not your thing that you want to do. Maybe an extra 200 would change everything in your whole life. That is also possible. This business is based on the skill set that you attain and the resilience that you put in it. If I can do it, so can you. If Paulina, an ex-beautician, can do this, so can you. And she's a mom of 2. If Alex, who is immigrant from Russia but lived in the US, was in corporate and was looking for a way out where he could live from his phone, work from his phone anywhere around the world, then you can too. It just requires you to put in the steps. So if that's something for you and you're looking for a product that really works and where the numbers, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie, then absolutely drop me #hybrid. Let's get you started.